Alright guys, so we're gonna start cutting up these wires. All these right here, so you have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then this other one right here, the red one, and this black one that goes all the way towards the battery. And we're gonna try to cut them all the way far back as possible where the fusibles are at. So back here, and then afterwards we're gonna start connecting them to this main power supply right here where the fuses are gonna go at. So let's get right to it. Another thing, I did see someone else put their alternator power supply over the fuse on this side of the truck, but I'm trying to like eliminate having two batteries over here and not have it too clustered because it's already begun to look like too much junk right there. We're gonna place it somewhere else, like right here, and connect it to the battery, and then we're gonna run some battery cables from here all the way through this radiator cover and bring it back to the battery right here. And I don't know what I'm gonna do because I'm not gonna have washer my wiper fluid, so I'm gonna have to buy like something smaller so I can connect it somewhere else. So yeah, that's another update right there. So yep. As you guys can see, look at this cable. It ripped. I think this is why the truck actually stopped. It turned off, but as you can see, everything's corroded inside. Alright, let's get back to the video. Alright, so far I added the new cable to it. So what you're gonna do, there's a 40 amp that connects to the red cable, and then you have they're basically orange, but I'll put a picture of it on my here that's gonna pop up any minute. So you have it's like a red color that's gonna be a 40 amp, an orange color that's a 40 amp, and one that's gonna have like red with white stripe. It's gonna be a 60 amp, and then obviously your big thick green wire is gonna be separate. So I'm gonna go through here, and that we're gonna connect it to a 175 amperage. And then we have another one that has a black cable with 2 pink stripes, and that's gonna go to another 40 amp. And then over here we have this cable, which was the red cable that connected to the, where is it at? To this one right here. The red one goes to your starter relay, which is this right here. I did another connection there, and I'm gonna try to use this wire that is, I believe, this cable right here, and just use the same one. If not, I would just run another cable. So I'm gonna start connecting all the wires to here and try to like basically keep it clean as possible. So let's get to it. everybody, so I'm just about finished for sure now. I've basically hooked up everything here. All the cables over there are already connected. Another thing is I just did not hook up my negative battery, my negative cable yet, nor this negative cable either that goes with the truck. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to hook this up to the battery, and then I need to put the alternator mega fuse somewhere around this area. I might probably run it somewhere around here, so that way it's on this right here, or I might just leave it there. I don't know. I'll see where I place it at right now, and then I'll just have to connect this cable back to that and wire the other cable to the truck, and then hopefully I can start my truck up. But so far I have everything basically kind of cut off on the breaker, so that way it doesn't use up the battery. Other than that, that's where we at. It looks a lot more clean. I will have to put my horn for my alarm system, wire it back, because as you can see right there, it's disconnected, and I need to screw it to the firewall as well. So that's so far where we at with this truck. So let's get back to it. Alright, so I am done. I still have to put this relay for my fuel pump and do my horn still, but I want to start up the truck just to make sure it doesn't catch on fire. I don't know what's gonna happen, and I still have to do wrap this wire back up again because I kind of opened it up. So that is the last thing. I installed everything so far in the truck. We have our mega fuse here, so 175 amp, and we have the rest of the other stuff over on that side. So let's go ahead and start up the truck, and hopefully it doesn't set on fire. This is awesome. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for today. I'll catch you guys up for the next video. I don't know what I'm going to post about next time, but it will probably be about my B&M shifter, trying to hook up the camera and the rear tail lights to it because they don't turn on. So I catch you guys up for the next video. Peace.